Hello guys, I welcome you to Scott Entertainment TV. So kindly subscribe to this channel and share this video to anyone. Black Sherif has been installed as a youth chief in Tamale. The rising Ghanaian musician was crowned as the Nachina of Tamale in the northern region on Monday, October 10, 2022. He was honored by the traditional leaders of his area for his massive feat in the Ghanaian music industry. Sherif was decorated with a smoke in a video. The Kweku the Traveler singer was also given headwear to match his smoke. This comes after his promo tour to the northern region, following the release of his The Villain I Never Was album. Blacko dominated the headlines after he released. The young musician had been topping charts with his album.
Sherif.